Hello students, once again here myself Mansi ma'am. As we have done in the previous video that how to create the plaza, we have taken the example of the school plaza. So here today we will take one more example like plaza. So we will take one plaza of suppose mall or product. So let's start. So we will open the composer or start the composer. After that, the composer will start, as we done in the previous video, to create the table of 3 by 2 3 by 2, that is 3 rows and 2 columns. So insert the table, resize the table, merge these two columns, that is by selecting and dragging to the next one and right click on that. Select the last second option, join selected cells. Click on that, it will merge it. Okay. So now over here we will take one sports plaza. So I'm writing over here sport plaza and I'm selecting it and giving the center align, increasing the size, giving the color and OK. I will give some font size effect. As you can see, I'm again resizing it, and from the second row first column I will insert some images of sports and we will give to the hyperlink to that page. So inserting the image, we will click on the image, open this browser button, click on this. After that, insert any one image as per your wish. So over here we will take some images, open, and we will select this option, do not use alternate text, and then OK. Okay, now same over here we will insert second image. So go into the insert, browse button, and this image file will be displayed. After that we will insert some image and select it and open. Select this do not use alternate text option and OK. Then another same way, image, browse button, select any one image, open, select this do not use alternate text and OK. Then same over here I don't have the sports images, so I'm taking some random images and open, do not use alternate text and OK. So over here I have inserted these 4 images. After that I will create pages of this 4 link. So I'm taking over only one page, I'm giving this link. As I discussed in the previous video that we have given 2 links and created the 2 page for the image 1 and image 2. In this video I am giving only one image, so I will create only one page. So to create the new page, we will click on this new and our page is created. So from this first page, we will copy this image and we will paste to the second page. And over here we will write, suppose this is a ball. So we will write there, suppose ball, company name, suppose Nike, and price will be suppose 5,000 and number of quantity will be suppose 9, and for this we will giving the link for the booking order. So we will write order now and we will go to the first page and the second page. So we will create another page for the table to fill the order details. So again we will click on this new, the page is created. Then we will take this table and we will take for this one for the name and this for text box, second for contact number, address, mode of payment, and for the button. So over here we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 rows and 2 columns. So we will also resize this table, and over here we will write enter name, enter mobile number, enter address, mode of payment, and lastly we will merge this two by selecting and dragging to the another column, and right click on that, select the last second option, that is join selected cells, and after that we will insert one by one that field properties. So from the from menu, select the form field. The form field property will be open. So for this name we will insert the text box. So text box we will use the field type as a text, and in the field name we will write any name, suppose A. Remain empty this initial value and simply press on OK. So our insert button is text box is inserted. So over here in this same we will copy this text box. So copy it and simply over here we will paste it. So for the address we will insert the text area. So again we will go into the forms, and over here text area, select this text area, give the any field name, insert the rows and columns. So over here I'm taking the row 5 and column suppose 15, and press it on the OK. So our text area is inserted. Now mode of payment. In this mode of payment you can also insert the selection list or radio button. So in the previous video we have used the both one which I showed in the both one, that is selection list also and the radio button also, but at the finally we have removed this selection list. So today we will insert the selection list. So from the form and use the selection list. So over here give the list name as payment, and click on this add option. Then as you can see over here the list name is converted to the text. So now we will add to this, that is COD, cash on delivery, add option, debit, add option, and credit, and then simply press on this OK. So you can see the selection list is inserted. So now over here we will select this center align and insert the our simple button. So insert the simple button, we will go into the form, select the form field, select this last option, that is button, give the field name suppose B, and over here which we have to display on the button, suppose we are writing confirm order, then OK. So as you can see the button is displayed as in confirm order. So lastly we will create the last page to display this our successful message for the placing the order. So we will write your order is placed. It we will give this some effect, so we will resizing it, give the bold effect, giving the color, and OK, and we will select some font style, and over here we will insert the background as we have discussed in the previous video, that how we will give the background color or background image. So in this firstly we will go into the format, select the last second option, that is page color and background. So for this background image we will select the second option, background image, click on this browser button, and from this we will go into these our image files as we have which we have stored in the images. So we will take one image. So over here we will take one image. Suppose over here I don't have any image regarding this, so simply I click on this and open and OK. So this is how the image is inserted. And we will go in the first page. We will insert this color page. So again, format, page color and background, and we will use customize color. For this background color, we will go into this, and simply we will select one background color. Okay. Okay, so this is how you can see this background color is changed. You can also give in this pages also. So format, set class, second option, page color and background, customize color, select one any color, and simply insert this colors. Okay, again okay. Also insert in this page also, customize color, background, and select any one color. Okay, and then okay. As you can see, our 4 pages is contain alag different colors and images. So lastly, we will save all the pages one by one. So save it and give the page 1. Okay, and save it on the desktop. Click on save. Second, give the 2, save on the desktop. 3, give the name 3. Okay, and save. Now fourth, save it and give the 4. So now we will give to the hyperlink. So firstly we will select this image, and we are writing below that ball. So we will select this and right click on and select this create link, or you can use this link option. So we will click on this link. A link option is open. Link property, we will click on this browser file, select the second file and open, and okay. So this is how we have done the changes. So it contained to the red color, and again we will save it is disabled. So we'll go into the second page, select this order now, give the link, browse, and then we will give into the third page. Okay, okay. Now save the second page also, go to the third page, right click on this button and select this create link option, and navigate to the fourth page, that is page number 4. Click on that, open, and okay. Save this page also and browse it. As you can see, our first page is look, and on this plaza I had taken only one hyperlink. You have to give this 4 images also into the link. So when we click on this ball or this image, it will navigate to the page second, and if we click on this order now, it will navigate to the page 3, and after that we will fill this information and click to the confirm order, it will navigate to the page 4. So this is how the hyperlink will proceed and how the navigations work. So this is how students we will create our web pages and giving the hyperlink and navigation and inserting the image. So I hope you understood how we will design the web pages. So till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.